Okay, so like, this is visualization of a neural net, taking points in R2 and mapping them to points in R2. And what we're going to do for basically no reason is we're going to add to the visualization lines connecting points. And that may turn out to be really cool and useful or not. So it's kind of 50-50, but it shouldn't be too bad to implement. The only thing is that like these are actually separate canvases, but that shouldn't really affect anything. It's just that like I'll have to like get like the input point for this line and then the output point, and then like for each line segment I'll like have to draw it twice on the two separate canvases. And so yeah, so we're just gonna do that. So yeah, I also like in my code I have like it does like the initialization to like draw the image, and then the animation. So like basically I'm duplicating the code in the animation frame and in the initialization, but that's fine too. So okay, so we'll do the initialization thing first, which I think is up here, and loop to the training. Yeah. Okay. So okay, so this, I believe, yeah, okay, so this is the input canvas, I called it. And this is layer 1 canvas, this is layer 2 canvas. So for right now, we're going to try to do lines between input and layer 1. This should like really not take that long. But so okay, so I need the layer 1 outputs to draw on the input canvas. Draw the training set, layer 2. Okay, so we're gonna go right here. Also, I'm using GitHub Autopilot for like auto completions, and that's pretty cool. Although I don't think it's gonna be able to handle this because I don't know how many people historically like draw lines between separate canvases when they're visualizing neural net layers. But you never know. I mean, you know, it's like it's AI. You never know what it's going to do. So, I'm going to describe what. Okay, so we will now draw lines connecting the input grid points on the input canvas to the layer 1 outputs on the layer 1 canvas. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So is it going to know how to do that for me? It doesn't look like it. So we need to loop over let's see, how did we loop over the draw the input grid, points are wide, let xy of grid. Okay, so this is one point that we need, and so I guess I'll just like copy paste this little loop. And yeah, I already declared index, I guess. but that's fine. Okay, get rid of this, and so the XY is the start for the line, and we need the layer 1 outputs. Yeah, we need these, and we should be good. So I need to go down here and say that, and that will be x1, y1, and yeah, draw a line connecting the input and output points. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So layer 1 context, begin path, fine. Move to, yeah, now the thing is that I think the X is going to have to be minus 400 pixels because like we're starting it on the other canvas. So it's going to be like off canvas, which I think is okay. And then line 2, x1, y1, yeah. That should work actually. Do I need to end the path? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, IDX plus. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this part. And so that should draw them on the layer 1 canvas. And it do. No, it didn't. Well, I can't tell if it's supposed to look like that or not. Normalize y1. But I need to change the color of the line. The line will be a solid line with a width of 1 pixel and colored white with transparency. Yeah, so like do that. Okay, so like layer 1 context dot stroke style. Okay. Let's just say like this is 50. So it should be coming, like it should look like it's coming from over here. Oh, right, because it needs the Y. Okay, so yeah, but we have that. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the input canvas. Yeah, I wish I knew the command to like where you could edit all these simultaneously or something. Okay. So this one needs to start at X and then go to X1, I I think like plus 400, isn't it? Because it's on the next canvas. Yeah, that didn't work. Well, yeah, I don't think we can guarantee that they are... Well, yeah, we can. Well, yeah, we can. Layer 1 output. Maybe... this needs to be outside of the... That needs to be minus 400. And then that needs to be... Or does that matter? I don't know if that matters actually. Whoa! Yeah, like that's what I was going for. Yeah, and then there's a slight padding situation. I'm not sure if... You want to say like 402? And then this is like minus 402 because of padding? Yeah, I mean that looks a little better. Or is it 403 maybe? I don't know what the padding situation is. Or the margin, like whatever they call it. I don't even know what they call it. Okay, so that looks cool. Okay, so that's cool. And, yeah. Okay, so then we'll do it inside the animation loop as well. Which we can just directly copy paste. Put it in the animation loop. Which is right here. And that did not indent correctly. Okay. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Alright, so it should animate and stuff. Holy. Yeah, I'm not clearing the frame over here for some reason. So, input. Where's the clear frame? Where's the clear frame for the input? Okay, this is animate. Oh yeah, like I don't normally. Okay, so we'll see if autopilot can figure that out. Oh yeah, but then you have to like redraw it. Ah, that's fine. Draw the input canvas. Yep. Input, clear rectangle. Is it just gonna copy paste this? Cause I can just copy paste it. And I would have more faith in my own copy pasting. No offense. No offense. Draw the input grid. Yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna copy paste. No problem, no problem. Okay, back to the animation loop. Okay, then why does it not indent properly? Come on. Show the input canvas. Okay, so that needs to go there, there. That needs to be like that. And like, I don't need to repeat that, I don't think, so I can get rid of that. Okay, so it redraws the canvas, and whoa, that's very cool. This is very cool. Oh no, what is this line doing? I'm just gonna, like, what is, like, I'm just going to ignore that. So, yeah. Do I need to do the other canvas as well? I guess. You know what I should have done? I should have, like, I should have branched my code by creating a new file. Like, I'm not gonna use version control, but, like, should have made a new file. But, let me make the neural net, you know, 10H-y. And, whoa. Right. Okay, I'll add the other layer also. I mean, okay, so to add the other layer, I mean, it's basically copy paste. Yeah, so we'll just copy paste this after the layer 2 has been drawn. And layer 1 points on the layer 1 canvas to the layer 2, outputs on the layer 2 canvas, and so this needs to say, I think just layer 1 outputs, and then this needs to say layer 2 outputs, and then this needs to say layer 1. Like, I know there's a way you can do this, like, it's multi-line cursor, but, like, I don't know how to do a multi-line cursor in Visual Studio, so, that should work. That should just, okay. Beautiful. Beautifulisme là. And then we go to the animation loop. And yeah. Okay. Oh my word, it's so beautiful. I mean, like, is this giving us any insights into anything? No, but it looks very cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to linear activations. Linear. Also, I should do like a different training set. Right. Yeah. Okay. Do another one. Whoa. I mean, that just looks cool. but yeah. That looks very cool. I mean, so this isn't like helping me in any way, like, you know, understand what's going on. But it still looks cool. And, okay, so I'll do some, go back to 10H, and then the training set, we'll go back to like random training sets for a little while. Oops. Okay, that guy goes there. That guy goes there. And, yeah. Okay, right. And, training size 3. Don't want to get crazy. Whoa. Oh, like this is, it's not converging. Or is it? Or is it? Oh, it is. Right. Yeah, I mean, that's what you want. See, like a vaguely interesting observation, which has nothing to do with the visualization that I just did, but like, you know, like in terms of, you know, because the whole goal is like making these red lines disappear, which is, or colored lines disappear, which is the discrepancy between the input and the output points. And so the first layer, you know, like it actually makes them worse. Like for every single one, like the lines are, the green line is larger here than in the input, so it, right? I mean, that's vaguely interesting. Okay, let's do like a different training set. Whoa. Oh, also, it's always fun to predict if it's going to converge. I mean, there's no way to predict. Like, I think whether or not, well, actually, because like we're using 10H, like I think it's like always going to converge, but I have no idea. But even if you're using like linear activations, like I think it's, I mean, it's definitely like very sensitive whether or not it converges. So I don't think you can eyeball it and just say like, yeah, it's going to converge. I think it might involve determinants. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna run this. Oh, it converged. I'm gonna do one more thing, which is control the frame rate of the animation, because like it's going too fast, frankly. So let's see if autopilot knows how to do that. Or what's it called? Copilot? I keep calling it autopilot, which I think makes more sense if you think about it, but okay. So the animation loop will have a like control, well, we'll have a frame rate, yeah, controlled by the variable. Wow, how did it know? Okay, so Yeah, but we already, I mean, we already have the function, but no, but you need to implement the frame rate. Yeah, okay, so controlled by the variable frame rate. So let frame rate equal, say, 10. And then, I forgot how you make it. Oh yeah, you have to like, oh, you have to keep track of, wow. Okay, so you have to say like, frame count. What's that gonna do? That makes sense. Yeah, last time. Yeah, I mean, you have to keep track of the time either way, so let last frame equal, yeah, but like date dot, how do you do now? Now? And then, ooh, I'm not gonna know how to implement this. Okay, let's not do the frame rate. Let's just say, well, okay, yeah, like, yeah, it would be like 100. Okay, so it's gonna be if is animating, and, oh, whoa, it did it! That's so cool. Oh my god, that is so cool. Okay, then you just have to update last frame. Boom! Except I think you want that to go at the end. Don't you want that to go after everything has been done? I feel like you do, but can't say for sure. So so that should go at like 10 frames per second now. Oh, you know what? You need to let's see. Oh, I think I mean, you need like, I think you have to put both of these outside of the conditional, because like otherwise it doesn't. Oh, is there an error? There is no error. Oh no, it is going. Why is it, did it go? Last frame equals date.now, and then date.now minus last frame. A 1,000. I mean, this could be greater than or equal to, but oh, I don't know why it's not working. Frame rate. Does it just need to be faster? Oh my god. Okay, so we're doing something stupid somewhere, but listen, man, all I said I was gonna do was draw lines, and we have lines.